Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a very highly requested one. This is an updated hair care video, hair care favorites, hair must-haves, whatever you want to call it. These are the products that I love to use on my hair to keep my hair looking healthy and shiny and long and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to dive in and start talking about the products that I love. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys a hair tutorial on how I get my signature curls. So yeah, I'm just going to dive in with the products, and we're going to start with the products that I use in the shower. So first up is this product from Garnier Fructis. This is the Sleek Shot in Shower Styler. I went to Hawaii with Garnier back in January when they first launched this, and I have been obsessed ever since. So this product is like a huge must-have if you live in a humid climate or if you're going on vacation to a humid climate. This is going to keep your hair looking right. In the shower, you mix it 1-to-1 ratio with your shampoo, rinse it out, follow with conditioner, and then you dry your hair and you can skip the flat iron. It just instantly sleeks your hair, locks in the smoothness, locks in the sleekness, and just makes your hair look so good. It also cuts your blow drying time in half, which is huge, especially during the summertime, and it just keeps your hair from getting frizzy, and I really love this. It's affordable, and I would definitely recommend you guys check it out. So that is that. Next up are my shampoos and conditioners. So these two next ones are definitely splurges. They're a little bit bougie, but I am obsessed. So these are from the brand Jisu, and they are the line from the blogger Negin Mersalahi. I don't know how to say her last name. Negin. And she has a beautiful hair, and so that is what made me want to try these. So they weren't sent to me or anything like that, but they are so freaking good. They smell like honey, and they just make your hair so shiny, so freaking smooth. The honey infused hair wash, this has been a godsend for me. I have psoriasis on my scalp and certain areas of my body, and I always have trouble finding shampoos that don't irritate my scalp and don't like strip my hair or make them feel like too dried out. This one is so good, and I think it's because of the honey in there, but it's absolutely amazing. And I followed up with the honey infused conditioner. Both of these are paraben free, silicone free, sulfate free, and cruelty free. So I don't know what is in here, but it instantly melts into my hair. It makes it feel like butter. Like I don't even need like a detangler or anything like that, which is saying a lot because my hair tangles so freaking easily. And this is so good. So I definitely need to try out the coordinating hair mask that they came out with, but I just have to recommend these. I know that they're pricey, but I think they're totally worth it. And if they came in like gallon sizes, I would buy them because they're that freaking good. So next I want to talk about a shampoo that I use as like a treatment. I don't use it very often, maybe like every other month I will use this just because I don't wash my hair that much and I don't feel like I need it more than that. So this is from Living Proof. It's their Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. So this is supposed to remove product, pollution, and hard water buildup, and that's exactly what it does. So I do have hard water. I have well water. I use not like a ton of product on my hair, but I do use product in my hair. And obviously pollution is a thing. So this is really good. Kind of just gets rid of any of that gunkiness that you have going on in your scalp or throughout your hair. So I would only recommend using this maybe like once a month or once every 2 months, just because if you use it too much, I feel like it'll strip your hair a little bit. But it is really good, and I believe this is made with like charcoal or something like this. It says it's color safe, silicone free, sulfate free. Next is a hair mask that I use to tone my hair. So I don't really color my hair very much anymore just because it's pretty close to my natural color. But what happens is, especially since I have like highlights throughout my hair and because I have well water, my hair tends to go a little bit brassy, and I don't like to like color it so much to get rid of the brassiness. So I found this product on Sephora, and it is so good. Better than any other, you know, purple shampoo, blue mask, whatever, anything that I've ever used. This is so good. So it's from the brand Christoph Robin, which I thought it was Christopher Robin for the longest time. And I was so happy because I thought like Winnie the Pooh. It just made me feel happy, but I guess it's like Christoph Robin. So this is their shade variation mask in the color ash brown. So it just looks like this. It's like this indigo blue color. So this gets rid of all of the ashy tones out of my hair, leaves it a nice cool ash brown, which I love. And I don't use it how the directions recommend to use it. Basically what I do is, before I take a shower, I like dampen my hair, you know, with like a water bottle or just like put it under the sink. And then I will apply this on my hair before I get in the shower. And I do that because the directions say to leave this on between 5 and 30 minutes, and I don't want to stay in the shower for 30 minutes. So I put this on my hair before I get into the shower, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then I will go in and shampoo and condition. And it leaves your hair so buttery soft, it tones it completely, and it is just so good. So here's like the before and after on the back. I don't know if you guys can really see, but this product is amazing, and I believe it comes in other shades for other hair colors as well. And I don't know, I'm very obsessed. So if you guys have any other recommendations from this brand, please let me know, because I love this so, so much. And it says it lasts 3 to 5 shampoos. So I use this like once a month because I only wash my hair like 3 to 5 times a month. So cannot recommend this enough if you have brassy brunette hair. So that's that. Then I want to talk about some styling products. The detangler that I love to use is this one from Unite. It is their 7 seconds detangler. This is just the travel size. It's really great at detangling your hair. It doesn't weigh it down or make it feel like greasy or have residue in it. I honestly don't even like need to use it after I use this conditioner, but it's a very good leave-in conditioner and detangler. So I love that. And then the next 2 products are products I use on like day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only wash my hair once a week. Like I said, I have like a drier scalp, so I just don't really need to. But these are products that I like to use once my hair is like gone through it a little bit. So the dry shampoo, if I use one, a lot of times I really don't use dry shampoo just because I don't like the feeling that it gives my hair. But if I had to pick one, it would be this one. It's from IGK. It's their first class charcoal detox shampoo. It smells great. It makes your hair have volume in it and just kind of brings it back to life a little bit and gets rid of, you know, the gunky feeling. So this is good. And like I said, I don't always use dry shampoo, but if I need it, then this is the one that I use. And then for like the ends of my hair, I love this one. This is the IGK Speechless Dry Oil Finishing Spray. So this is a very fine mist. Like it's just this really nice, fine, dry oil. So I really like this one. It smells amazing. It has UV protection, is mineral oil free, softens the hair, reduces frizz, weightless hydration and shine. So all those things, it makes it shiny, kind of brings it back to life. If you're like at the end of the week when you need to wash your hair and your hair is looking kind of dull and gross, you can just spray this, add some shine and, you know, moisture to the ends of your hair. So I really, really love this. And then the last few things are just kind of like random hair things that I love and I feel like they just make my life easier. First are these silk scrunchies. I love these. These are like the Kitsch brand or Kish, something like that. I got them on Amazon. I've tried some other silk scrunchies and didn't love them. Like my hair would get like stuck in them or they wouldn't like actually hold my hair up. But these are really good. They don't cause any breakage and they actually hold my hair really well. So they're the Kitsch brand. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but I get them on Amazon and these are just the ivory ones. I also use a silk pillowcase. This is from the Slip brand and I need to wash mine because it's been a little bit too long, but this is really good for your hair. It helps with breakage and tangles, things like that. It's also really good for your skin, so I love that. And the next thing is this Aquise towel. This thing is so good. It's like a towel turban thing that you put in your hair when it's wet and it makes your hair dry so much faster. Like the material of it just soaks the water up so well and out of your hair, which is really important to me because I hate waiting for my hair to dry. So this speeds up the process. Mine is just like this navy blue color, but they come in like a lot of like cute other colors and prints now. But if you have not tried one of these, they're so freaking good and they're not as heavy as like wrapping your hair up in a towel. Like, you know, when you wrap your hair in a towel and then your head weighs like 45,000 pounds, this avoids that. So I love that. And then lastly is my go-to hairbrush. This is just a wet brush. They're the best brushes. They get tangles out so well. You can use them on wet or dry hair, and they are amazing. If you do not use a wet brush, I don't know what you're doing. Don't use the tangle teaser. I've tried that. That just like hurts my head, and no. The wet brush is where it's at. So get yourself one. So yeah, that is gonna wrap it up. Those are the products I love and use for my hair and swear by. So that's basically it. I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair now. I will say, because I know people ask about my extensions, I have habit hand-tied extensions. They're sewn in wefts, and I honestly don't do anything differently than I did before. Now it just takes me longer because I have more hair, but I don't treat them any differently than I treat my own hair. I don't do anything crazy. I probably am not following the rules, but I'm pretty much a low maintenance person, even though it may not seem that way. But I don't do anything differently with my hair extensions. I'm actually thinking about taking them out for the summer just so I can like let my scalp breathe, and because it just gets so freaking humid here. And if I want to go swimming, you know, I don't want to have to worry about that. So I'm thinking about taking them out in the next few weeks. We'll see. I might go through a little bit of separation anxiety, but yeah, I'm gonna stop jibber jabbering and we're gonna get into the hair tutorial, because you guys always ask how I do my hair, and I always do it the exact same way. So let's get started. Okay, so I just curled the bottom layer of my hair and realized that my microphone was not plugged in, so that is okay. Nothing revolutionary went on there, but I do want to talk to you guys about my curling iron. So this is the one that I am currently obsessed with. This is from the Ionic brand. I've never really tried anything from them before, but they sent this to me a few weeks ago. And ever since they sent this to me, I have been obsessed. So this is supposed to be like moisturizing heat technology. It's supposed to be good for your hair. I don't know if any of that is true, but I really love this curling iron. I use a clamp. I believe this is a 1 1/4 inch size barrel. This is the barrel size that I love. And the clamp is really good. It's not too stiff, and it holds my curls really nicely. Usually that's very hard to find with a clamp curling iron, but this one is really good. I don't like the T3 clamp attachments. I have purchased them, and I just feel like the clamp is way too stiff, and I just don't really like it. So I would recommend this one. And then the one that I was using before I got this one is this one. It's by the brand Kristen S. It's really good. The clamp is really, you know, easy to work with, but as you can see, there's a very large size difference between these two. And size does matter in this case, because I have long ass hair and this one makes my life so much easier. But this one is really good, and I was using it for months before I got this one. So if you want to save some money, or if you don't need such a long barrel, then check this one out. But I curl all my hair in the direction away from my face. I start here, and then I just like open and twist the barrel till I get to the end, and I leave like an inch at the end out of the barrel. And that is basically it. So I already did my bottom layer, and this is what it looks like. I don't touch them or brush them or anything. But before I move on to the top layer, I'm gonna spray some of this Oribe dry finishing spray, thick finishing spray. Just go like that. It adds some texture and some hold. And again, I don't brush it or do anything to it until I'm completely done. So now I'm gonna take my top layer down and do the top. And I literally don't do anything different on the top than I do on the bottom. So you will see that, but this is just how I do my hair. I'm not a professional hair person. I literally only do one look, and this is it. So if you ever see me with like looser curls, it's just this like several days later, because I only wash my hair like once a week. So again, we just do it away from the face, hold it, and then you let it down, drop it down. And I have this on the 355 heat setting. But this is how I like my curls. They're not like too uniform, they're not too tight, they're not too loose. And this is just how I've been doing my hair. But nothing crazy is really happening here, so I don't want to bore you guys to death. You can use this as a wand like this too, but I don't know. I like the look of a clamp better. I don't know why. I feel like the wand sometimes, it just looks like too curly for me or something. I don't know. I just prefer the look of a clamp. So start there, twist, open, twist, open, twist, open, twist, and then you twist it up to the root, and that's literally it. Oh, and this is how I do my bangs. Literally the exact same as every other piece, but I just do them last for whatever reason. And I just washed my hair this morning and let it air dry, and I feel like when my hair is like freshly clean, I hate it. Like I never like it the first day that I curl it. Not really sure why. All right, and then that's how the top part looks. Now I'm just going to spray it with that same spray. And just zhuzh it up. Then once it's completely cooled down, I just take my fingers and I just like rake through them. You could use a brush or like a wide tooth comb, but this is just what I do. And that is basically it. Loose, big curls, and obviously very voluminous thanks to my extensions, but just show you guys the back. I have no idea what the back looks like, but it's none of my business, but I'll show you guys. And yeah, that is it. That's all she wrote. I don't use hairspray. The only thing that I ever use is like a texturizing finishing spray, just because that gives me enough hold and texture without the feeling of like a crispy, crunchy, hard to run my fingers through kind of product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it helps you guys out a little bit if you've been looking for some new hair products or hair tools. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
I don't even know what I'm going to do without these extensions. Like, I feel like I'm just going to have to sit in the corner and cry with a hat on because I just feel so bald and my hair will be sucky. But hopefully it won't be that bad. I just really love how big and long this curling iron is. Oh, God. I shouldn't be saying these things. There's probably children watching.